Ending a conversation. The previous lecture showed you the best, most common ways to start talking to someone. Now you're going to learn how to show that you are ending a conversation, then say goodbye, and if you need to, how to politely escape from a conversation. Let's start with how English speakers demonstrate that they are trying to end a conversation because it's rude just to say goodbye without transitioning. These can be gestures, like looking at your watch, but filler words like okay, all right, and well are the most important. You see, there comes a point in every conversation where you are getting ready for it to end. Maybe you're busy, maybe the person is boring, or for whatever reason, someone is ready to end it. When that time arrives, okay, all right, and well are super helpful. Let's start with okay. Okay has two main uses in a conversation. The first one I think you already know. It's used to show you understand something or agree with something. But when a chat is finishing, we use okay a lot as a sign that the person is trying to exit. This is common in person, on the phone, and online. If the person notices it, they will probably say something similar and you will soon be saying goodbye. However, if you need to be more direct, after you say okay, give an excuse to end the conversation, like that you need to do something else or are busy. We often put but before or after okay when we do this. Here are some examples. Oh, and another thing, did you hear what that politician did? No, I didn't, but okay, I really need to go now. Tell me later. Look, Sarah's here. Let's go talk to her. Okay, but I'm supposed to get back to work. Just say hi to her for me. I'll see you later. All right. All right is used just like okay, and you might also hear all right then and okay then to mean the same thing. Often a conversation will slow down after a while and you don't have anything left to talk about. When this happens, oftentimes one speaker will say, all right, to show that they are finished. And the other speaker will repeat all right to show that they basically agree, and then we say goodbye. We can do the exact same thing with okay. Yeah, and that's what happened. All right, well, talk to you tomorrow? Yeah, talk to you tomorrow. But that's pretty much all I did. Okay, well, let's talk later. Well has a specific pronunciation when used to end a conversation. When we use well as a filler word to show that we are thinking, it sounds like this. Well, that means we're searching for a response and has a falling intonation. But when we use well to show that we are done talking, we use rising intonation like this. Well, this is my favorite for showing that I'm done or would like to end a conversation. You can use this in person, on the phone, or online. Don't be afraid to interrupt someone, to stop them if you really want to or need to end the talk. We just say well or okay, and then give an excuse or say directly that you have to go. Here are a few examples with well. Pause and tell me if I'm using falling or rising intonation. Remember, falling intonation means I'm thinking or showing interest and still committed to the conversation. Rising intonation means I'm done, finished, and trying to end the talk. What do you think? Well, that's a good question. This is falling, means I am interested. Anyways, what do you think? Well, I'm a bit busy right now. Maybe later? This is rising, means I'm finished. I have to tell you what happened. Well, I'd love to, but not now. This is rising. I can't talk. I have to tell you what happened. Well, let's talk about it then. This is falling, means I'm ready to talk. If you're with someone else, we also say, well, we should get going, and well, shall we? To show that we are preparing to leave. On the phone, you can say, well, I gotta go, or well, I should get going.